I need proof before he destroys everything tonight. This drive holds everything Carter never wanted found. He's copying files right now, I'm sure of it.
Stop him before he leaves this building tonight!
I have to get home before they catch me. Carter's men are coming for the drive.
We will hide it where they won't look. Sew it into the lining before anyone comes inside.
Open this door now! We know you're inside!
I love you more than you will ever know.
Run now. Tell nobody where you're going.
Please don't let them see me hiding here.
Get him in the car before someone sees us.
Be brave, Emma. We will find you soon.
Take them to the warehouse. Keep them quiet.
My feet hurt, but I can't stop walking. I don't know where else I should go.
It's very late for a small girl outside. Where is your family, little one? Are you lost?
I have nobody. Please, can you help me?
Come inside. You'll be safe with me now. She needs a school and a place to stay.
Everyone here already has their own good friends.
Who's the new girl with the old bag?
This bag is the only thing I have.
Your clothes look older than my grandfather's shoes. Give it here! Let's see inside it! Old bags belong on the ground, not classrooms.
Please stop! Those are all my things! Nobody can ever know what's really inside. I fixed it. Nobody saw anything at all. That wasn't fair. Somebody needs to help her.
Hey! Leave her stuff alone right now!
I found 2 more books by the fence. I fixed the strap so it won't break. Thank you. Nobody has been kind like this.
Everyone home safely. See you all tomorrow.
Buckle up, both of you. We're heading home.
Everyone else has somewhere warm to... This is where I have to stay tonight? This blanket is thin, but it's still mine. Mom, Dad, please, please come and find me.
There she is, right where I expected her. I found the girl. She's at a school.
Good. That drive is finally within our reach. Tonight, we finally get that flash drive back.
Everything is ready. We leave the moment it's dark.
Everyone get inside! This storm is getting worse!
I need to get to my shelter fast. Those cars are exactly like the ones before.
There she is! Don't let her get away!
This rain is really coming down tonight, isn't it?
Dad! That's Emma! She's running from something. Those men in the cars look really scary.
Get in the car, quickly! We can help!
You're safe now. Just breathe. We've got you.
Let's get you warm and dry right now. Eat slowly. There's plenty more if you want. You're burning up, sweetheart. I'm not leaving until you feel better, Emma.
Will Emma be okay by the morning time?
Something smells wonderful in here this morning.
My parents were taken because of something I'm carrying. This is what everybody has been searching for.
You've been carrying this the entire time alone?
We need to call the police right now.
Copy every file before we open the original. This footage proves exactly what Marcus was hiding.
Carter has been stealing from this company for years.
Get him out of my building immediately!
We'll let him come to us tonight, quietly.
Lights out means everyone inside is sleeping now. Take the back. I'll go through the front. That flash drive is somewhere inside this house. Easier than I thought.
Hold your positions. Wait for my clear signal. Police! Everyone stay exactly where you are! There's nowhere left for you to run now.
Move! Get out of my way now!
You're under arrest for kidnapping and corporate fraud. Mr. Carter, we have all the evidence needed. Police! We know your parents are in here!
Did you hear that? Someone is finally here.
You're safe now. Your daughter is waiting outside.
Mom! Dad! I kept it safe the whole time!
We're together now. Nothing will ever separate us again.
You no longer work for this company, Carter.
Every file here becomes part of the case.
Carter ordered every single thing that happened here.
This case will now formally begin today. Mr. Carter, you are found guilty as charged.
It's finally over. We can go home now. This company needs someone honest, running it now.
It feels good to walk in here happy.
I'm really sorry for what I did before.
It's okay now. Let's just be friends.
Race you both to the big oak tree!
Thank you for helping me when I needed it.
You'll always have a home here, Emma.
I'm proud of both of you today.
You were braver than most adults I know.
I was never alone, not even for one moment.
Subscribe so you never miss our next story. Leave a comment. We read every one.